What is the most valuable resource you have, yet you can never get back once it's gone? Ponder that for a moment. That's right, it's time. Time, my friends, is a resource unlike any other. It's the invisible currency we all trade in, spend, and unfortunately, often waste. Every tick of the clock is a moment forever lost, yet it's also an opportunity for something new. Time is the architect of our lives. It shapes our experiences, our achievements, our memories. It's the canvas upon which we paint our life story. And like any currency, how we spend our time speaks volumes about our priorities. Do we fritter it away on meaningless activities, or do we invest it in pursuits that enrich our lives and align with our values? The choice ultimately is ours. Remember, time is the one thing we can never get back. So let's ensure we're not just spending it, but investing it wisely. Ever wondered what could be stealing your precious time away? We often point fingers at external factors, but the real thieves of time are often internal. First on the list is procrastination. This sneaky thief lures us into the illusion of later, making us postpone tasks we could be doing now. The result? Missed opportunities and delayed progress. The next culprit is lack of focus. It's like a mischievous imp scattering your time and energy in all directions. Without a clear focus, we end up spending our time on unimportant tasks, leaving us drained and unproductive. These thieves are crafty, but they're not unbeatable. The key is to recognize their tricks. When you catch yourself procrastinating, take immediate action. If you find your focus wavering, take a moment to recalibrate and prioritize. Guard your time fiercely. It's a non-renewable resource. It's not just about managing time, but about managing ourselves within the time we have. How do you ensure you're not merely spending, but investing your time? A question that demands our attention. Investing time is about more than just staying busy. It's about directing your energy towards things that truly matter and align with your personal goals and values. Imagine your time as a pie. Each slice represents a different part of your life: personal growth, career, relationships, hobbies, and more. The key is to distribute your time in a way that each slice gets its due attention. Now, prioritizing tasks is a crucial part of this process. It's about giving your undivided attention to what you've set out to do. It's not just about ticking off items on a to-do list, but ensuring each task you undertake contributes to your overall goal. Remember, your time is a limited currency. Every moment is an investment. Invest your time as you would invest your money, wisely and with careful consideration. Is taking time for self-care a waste of time? Not at all. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Self-care is an investment, an essential part of your well-being. It's a way to recharge the batteries of your mind and body to ensure you're at your best. It's like maintenance for a car. If you don't take care of it, it won't run as efficiently, or worse, it might break down. Consider this: when you're feeling worn out, you're not as productive, your creativity dwindles, and it's harder to focus. Taking breaks, practicing mindfulness, or simply doing something you enjoy is not time wasted. It's a necessary reset that can actually boost your productivity and performance. Self-care is about quality, not quantity. It's about taking moments throughout your day to pause, to breathe, to connect with yourself. This is how you keep your engine running smoothly. In the end, how you spend your time defines your life. Don't waste it. Invest it wisely. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more insightful content.